Though you will see click to continue and replay buttons in this video, these features are not supported by this format. You may want to pause the video when you see these buttons. If you want these features and the supplemental slides and files that correspond to the video, then enroll in the course at biztricks.us. If you've watched any of our Microsoft Excel videos, then you may be wondering why there's a Mat menu in the ribbon. It's a custom menu where I keep some of my most commonly used commands, along with those commands that I've written with VBA. They're things that help make my life easier in Excel. Excel's here to work for you, not the other way around. If you're a heavy Excel user, then VBA will simplify your life. And even if you don't feel that you use it that often, VBA is going to simplify things greatly. Let's see a quick demo of two of these features in our ribbon. Mirror data is a quick way to mirror data on the X and Y axis. Transposed links helps do exactly that. Transpose links. Paste Special has transpose and paste link as separate options, but they can't be combined. I built a macro to combine the two because it allows me to modify the spreadsheet without getting those change array errors that often arise as a result of working with arrays. These other features customize the way in which I work with formulas. Manage row heights. Quickly zoom in and out. Apply formats. Delete unwanted characters. Process goal seek. Arrange windows. Set and unset my custom shortcut keys, add footers, and calculate selections. Beyond these commands on the ribbon, I've built an entire library of modules and classes to simplify my work. It's a common thing for people to see what I can do in Excel and ask, how'd you do that? The investment you make in yourself will have the greatest returns. I made it a priority to invest in my common tools that I use for my job, Excel, Excel VBA, PowerPoint, and SQL, and it's made all the difference. The productivity and throughput gains are immeasurable, and I reinvest that saved time back into the learning process. It's infectious. Programming may seem daunting. I still remember starting. I picked up an Excel VBA book from the library that claimed to be for absolute beginners. I would argue otherwise. I remember reading its pages 2 and 3 times in a row and still not understanding what it was saying. I understood the words, but I didn't know what was going on. My goal is to simplify that for you, to teach you what you really need to know. Before we begin, we recommend that you have a sound understanding of Excel. Our first 2 Excel courses, Get Off the Mouse and Functions, lay that foundation. The more you know about Excel, the easier it will be to learn VBA. In the next lessons, I spend a lot of time about the foundation of VBA because I'm a big proponent in laying a solid foundation on which you can build. It makes the process easier to follow and reduces having to undo bad habits you may pick up along the way. It's also the reason why we focus on learning the coding environment, following a coding style guide, and spending so much time learning how to reference a range. Let's get started.